Welcome. In front of me is an ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro, and today I'll show you how to boot the device into safe mode. And to get started, let's hold power key. When you see the boot options pop up, what you want to do is hold power off. Once you do, after a second or two, it will pop up this message right here, reboot to safe mode, with a rating below that. Do you want to reboot into safe mode? This will disable all third-party applications you have installed. They will be restored when you reboot again. So to confirm it, let's tap on OK, and this will initiate the reboot into safe mode. Now, in the safe mode, or the purpose of it is basically so you can test if some kind of application is causing your device to malfunction. If, for instance, you're getting some kind of ads pop up on your screen, which as an example I did it once. This is a good method to test if it's one of the apps or just something that the device started doing. So in here, only thing will be working is the default applications, the ones that come pre-installed with the device. And as you can see, you do have a message right here, safe mode, just to make sure you are aware that you are right now running safe mode. And that is how you boot into it. Now, once you're ready to leave it, all you need to do now is hold power key, and this time around, simply tap on restart. And I believe I just missed it somehow. Let's try that again. There we go. So once you tap on it, it will initiate the restart, and this will take us back to the normal mode. And as you can see, we are now back in Android in a normal mode. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.